How to scan your face for Bitmoji on Snapchat. For this, go ahead and open your Snapchat application and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat. So right here at the very top you will see a Bitmoji icon. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, select the option of create my avatar. So right here you will find this big circle where you have to go ahead and center your face. Also select a gender at the bottom. Once you have successfully scanned your face, it will display some of the options you can select from. Once you tap on it, now tap on select outfit. From here, you can go ahead and customize a Bitmoji according to your preference. From here, face shape, eye color, clothes, and more. If you do not have this feature, press and hold your Snapchat to go to app info. Force stop your application and head to storage and cache to clear the cache. Next step is to open up your app store or your Play Store, and in here you have to check for an update. Search for Snapchat in the search bar. Tap on Snapchat, and if there is any update available, make sure to update your application. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.